Dr. K. Selvaraj, M.Pharm PhD, Associate Professor, KMCH College of Pharmacy, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Today, I am going to discuss about semi-solids ointments. In that, ointments definition, what are the various bases used to prepare ointments, and what are the methods by which we can prepare ointments. First, we are going to discuss about what is the definition for ointments. Ointments are semi-solid preparations meant for external application to the skin or mucous membrane. The examples for the ointments are sulfur ointment, Whitefield ointment, it is compound benzoic acid and salicylic acid ointment, and non-staining iodine ointment. First, we are going to discuss about what are the various bases used to prepare the ointments. First one is the various bases: oleogenous or hydrocarbon bases, absorption bases. Third one is the emulsifying bases. Fourth one is the water soluble bases. I will repeat. What are the various bases? That is oleogenous or hydrocarbon bases, absorption bases, emulsifying bases, and water soluble bases. First, we will discuss about oleogenous or hydrocarbon bases. Oleogenous or hydrocarbon bases consists of, first one is the soft paraffin, second one is the hard paraffin, third one is the liquid paraffin. In soft paraffin, otherwise known as petrolatum, it is obtained from petroleum. There are two varieties, one is yellow soft paraffin, another one is white soft paraffin. White soft paraffin is a bleach product of yellow soft paraffin, and it melts, melting point is 38 degrees Celsius to 56 degrees Celsius. Next, we move to the hard paraffin. They are the colorless wax-like substances. They are obtained from this petroleum. They are used to harden the ointment bases. Third one is this liquid paraffin. It is otherwise known as white mineral oil. It is otherwise known as white mineral oil. It's obtained from this petroleum product. It is one of the constituents of emulsifying ointment bases. It is one of the constituents of emulsifying ointment bases. It is mainly used along with other ointment bases to get a desired consistencies. Now we move to absorption bases. The absorption bases are the following. Various absorption bases are, first one is this wool fat, second one is hydrous wool fat, third one is wool alcohol, fourth one is beeswax. First one is wool fat, otherwise called as anhydrous lanolin. Second one is hydrous wool fat or lanolin. Third one is wool alcohol. Fourth one is beeswax. Wool fat, it is obtained from a sheep or wool. It absorbs 50 times its weight of its water. It is one of the constituents of the simple ointment bases. Next one is this hydrous wool fat or otherwise known as lanolin. It is a mixture of 70% of this wool fat and 30% weight by weight of the purified water. It produces water in oil type of emulsions. Third one is the wool alcohol. It is used to prepare water in all type of emulsions. It is obtained from wool fat containing 30% of cholesterol. Next one is the beeswax. It is obtained from this honeycomb of bees. There are two varieties, one is yellow beeswax and another one is white beeswax, and both are used as a stiffening agent in ointment and paste like semi-solids. Fourth one is this, third one is these emulsifying bases. There are two types of emulsifying bases. One is a water in oil type of emulsion. They are the absorbs hydrous and they can absorb water, but washability is very difficult. Example for these water in oil type of emulsions are the cold creams. And the third one is this oil in water type of emulsions. Hydrous, water absorbable, and water is easy washable. For example, polyethylene glycol and vanishing creams. The fourth basis is what called as water soluble bases. The water soluble bases are otherwise known as greaseless bases. It contains soluble ingredients like polyethylene glycols. Ointments prepared using these bases can obtain the desired consistency and penetrating powers. Now we move to what are the various methods by we can prepare the ointments. Ointments can be prepared by three methods. One is the fusion technique, second one is the trituration technique, third one is the chemical reaction method. First one is the fusion method. In the fusion technique, the ingredient to be incorporated are mixed, melted and cooled. Mixed, melted and cooled together till the mixture congeals and solidifies. And the substances with the higher melting points is melted first, followed by decreasing order. Okay, now we move to this trituration technique. In the trituration technique, the required quantity of base is taken, weighed portion is placed on the porcelain slab, that is ointment slab, and with the help of stainless steel spatula and triturated with the powdered medicament until a homogeneous mixture is formed. The concentrated ointments are gradually diluted with the remaining quantity of the ointment bases, and some ointments can be prepared by means of chemical reaction, for example non-staining iodine ointment. It's clear. Now what is the methods? One example for this sulfur ointment can be prepared. Preparation of first, for the preparation of sulfur ointment we using simple ointment base: wool fat, hard paraffin, cytostearyl alcohol and yellow salt paraffin. Wool fat is 50 grams, hard paraffin is 50 grams, cytostearyl alcohol is 50 grams and yellow salt paraffin is 850 grams. Melt hard paraffin and cytostearyl alcohol on water bath. To this incorporate wool fat and yellow salt paraffin. Stir until all the ingredients are melted and cooled and packed in an ointment. Now the preparation of sulfur ointment. It is prepared by trituration technique. Here the sublimed sulfur is placed on a porcelain slab or tiles. The powder well. Sufficient quantity of these simple ointment base is incorporated. First small quantity followed by large quantities can be incorporated. The sulfur ointment used as a scabicide. So in this video, what is the definitions? What are the various ointment bases used to prepare ointments, and what are the methods by which we can prepare ointments, or everything is discussed. Have a good day. Good luck.